Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you open Discord and it is stuck on checking for updates. So I've got fix for this and how to do this. Let's get started. First open your start menu and then search for ncpa.cpl. Open this and in here you'll find your Ethernet. Just right click on this and then click on properties. After that click on internet protocol versions and then click on properties. Here make sure you check this box which says use the following DNS server address and type these codes here 8888 then click on OK and restart your PC. After that hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.